Okay, here we have the Whirlpool WED9290FW, which is the first in the US large capacity 7 cubic feet full-size ventless heat pump dryer, which is something that we need for our passive house. Nice thing about this new Whirlpool is that it's full-sized and not one of the smaller units that you typically find in Europe. There's only one other model at this point in the US, and that's made by LG, but that is a vented dryer. So you can hear the heat pump. We just paused the cycle, and you can hear the heat pump still spinning, so I'm going to restart it. It's a little bit louder than typical. We have some clothes in here. We'll see how the unit dries. Have it on a normal cycle, just indicating about an hour and 22 minutes to completion. Okay, here we have the Whirlpool WED9290FW.